It's just human nature. People tend to wait until the last minute, whether it's packing or making a grocery list or even doing taxes. But as hurricane season approaches, now is the perfect time to sit down and map out a plan. Ask yourself, what would you do if a hurricane approached your state? Well, start by putting together a go bag. Include important items like insurance documents, health information, and other critical paperwork. Don't rely solely on what's stored on your phone. Have some hard copies ready to go. You should also plan for basic needs like food and water, enough for each person and your pets for at least 3 days, just in case.
Hurricane Preparedness Week is something we do just like we do for winter weather. Mississippi was hit hard this year with that. We're asking you now to get prepared for a hurricane season. We know it's coming. We know the hurricane season is coming here. Whether or not we take a direct hit or an indirect hit is going to be up to Mother Nature. But if you're prepared and you're ready, you've talked about this with your family members and your close friends, you're going to have a better opportunity to survive that storm, and we can rebuild anything, but we can't rebuild a life that's lost.
You always got to prepare because it's June 1st is the start of hurricane season and it lasts all the way through October. So anytime between that, you can get a hurricane, right? So if you have the provisions to set aside some money, or you have the wherewithal to have some supplies right now, so plan ahead before it becomes a thing when everybody's trying to get those supplies all at the same time.
The bottom line, there's no time like the present to get ready for a hurricane or a major storm. If you'd like to learn more about how to prepare, visit the MEMA website or download our mobile app for helpful tips and resources.